this video, we show you how to create a service entry via the TecRMI Service Book. We start with the prepaid entry after requesting a service history. First, the vehicle has to be confirmed. Then, the current mile age, the order number, and the performance date has to be entered. In the next step, the main and additional work are selected. The corresponding spare parts are automatically selected based on the previous selected maintenance work. In the next step, additional information can be entered, such as performed inspections or used operating fuels. Finally, an overview of the entry is provided. With the final click, the entry is sent to a Tech Alliance.